Gonna light this piece of wrist lighter, hopefully get it started burning here. Kind of out in the breeze a little bit. The wrist lighter is fat pine. So we use it a lot for starting fire. Right here we're gonna put it in the smoker. Hopefully we got enough fire going there. And what we're gonna try to do is not burn ourselves. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this rascal get fired up real good. Get out the damn light. Ain't no light. We're gonna let this can get fired up pretty good. You can see what it is here, y'all. Get around here on the right side of the moon. Okay, you see it burning? Now comes a little son of a biscuit eater. Biscuit eater, biscuit eater. So we're gonna take this. Let me put this back on my hat. This ain't working.